Hey everyone, today, I am going to show you how to add a cryptocurrency to the Finance Toolbar app. The Finance Toolbar is an amazing tool for tracking your stocks, currencies, and yes, your favorite cryptocurrencies, all in one place. Adding a cryptocurrency is super simple. Let me walk you through it. The Finance Toolbar uses the Yahoo Finance server. The golden rule is this: everything you see on the Yahoo Finance website can be added to the Finance Toolbar app. For example, to add the Bitcoin cryptocurrency, go to its page on the Yahoo Finance website and copy the last part of the URL. In this case, it would be BTC/USD. First, hover your mouse over the three dots icon. A hidden menu will appear on the left side. In this menu, click the wrench icon to open the options window, where you can add, remove, or rearrange your tracked items. Next, on the Basics tab, scroll down to the Quotes section. Here, you can add the cryptocurrencies you want to track. In the text bar, type the ticker symbol of the cryptocurrency you want to add. For example, I will type BTC/USD. Then, click the Add button. That is it. Your cryptocurrency is now part of your Finance Toolbar. Now, when I return to the app and increase the height of the Finance Toolbar, the heat map will appear. You will see that the new Bitcoin cryptocurrency has been added to both the toolbar and the heat map table. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.